Getting a personality if you're boring can seem really tough, but with this trick, it's simple really. You might think you're boring because you don't do many activities or because you feel shy around others. But don't worry, because even doing the most boring things can be made into interesting stories, and then you'll have a cool personality. Think about when someone asks you, "What are your hobbies?" and you can't help but feel boring. All the other advice on the internet saying, "Just be yourself." That advice sucks unless you're an extrovert, which, considering you're here watching this video, I'd say you aren't. You've probably been prompted to join classes and groups and try out new things. Then you say to yourself, yeah, sure, that's great. But if I join a group, people will ask me, what are my hobbies? And I'll be back to the original problem which I was trying to avoid by joining this group. So let's not do that. Let's determine that everybody has a personality. Even you, right now. Remember that teacher that you had in high school? Super strict, super mean, wouldn't let you have an extension on your homework? Well, that's what we think about their personality. Now think about James Corden, talented, funny, kind, approachable. Notice that these are just memorable traits that we associate with them, which in turn gives them a personality. Right now, yours might be something like, what are your hobbies? I don't do anything really. So, your personality would be boring if you're even remembered at all. But wait, you don't actually spend all of your time doing nothing really, so let me show you this trick. The trick is called the spike method, which is simply step 1, start with a normal detail, step 2, add a spike, and step 3, conclude the story. So, let's say you have an interest in something that's typically seen as boring. Let's say you just started to use a metal detector or, I don't know, collect coins or something. You enjoy it and you've been learning all about it. Chances are, you know way more about that than the person you're talking to. So, someone comes up to you and says, what did you do on the weekend? Don't say, nothing really. Say, I went to the beach and found a whole bunch of cool things with my metal detector. Oh, that's so cool. I had no idea you could do that. What did you find? Yeah, it's super fun and satisfying. I even found a rare coin for my coin collection. Oh, you collect coins? How do you do that? I can show you if you like. What are you doing later? That'd be great. I'm super excited. I've never tried it before. Now you'll be remembered as cool, interesting, different, skilled, smart, fun beach coin collecting guy. But you're thinking, who cares about metal detecting and coin collecting? Well, I would say quite a few people. Now, unless you're into metal detecting and coin collecting, you can change this to literally anything. You might like reading, learning a new language, playing video games, whatever it is. Just follow these next 3 steps. 1. Find a topic that interests you and learn about it. 2. Talk about it when you meet new people and use the spike method. 3. You don't need a step 3. Get out of here, go live your new life with your new interesting personality.